Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making banana pudding, and this first step I did the night before, and I just combined 2 cans of evaporated milk, some sugar, and some vanilla. Now I tasted the milk before I added in my eggs. I whisked my sugar and vanilla together in the milk, tasted it to make sure it was sweet enough. Then I added 6 egg yolks. Separate them from the whites and use the yolks only. And then you're just gonna whisk and whisk and whisk forever until it gets nice and thick. Once the custard is thick, I'm gonna let it cool in the pot. Then I'm gonna transfer it to a bowl and let it cool in the refrigerator overnight. Now the next day, I'm gonna start off by cutting my bananas. After that, I'm gonna make a whipped cream combining half a pint of heavy whipping cream, sugar, and vanilla. Once your whipped cream is nice and fluffy like this, it is ready to use. This is what the custard looks like after it's chilled overnight. And to this, I'm going to add that whipped cream that I just made. And I'm just going to gently fold in that whipped cream because I want this custard to be nice and fluffy. Now it's time to put this banana pudding together. So I'm just going to alternate layering cookies, bananas, and custard until everything is finished or until my glasses are full. Now for the finishing touch, I'm just going to top my banana pudding with some chopped pecans. Yes, chopped pecans. These add another layer of flavor, another texture, because eventually your cookies are going to get soft and you don't want to just be eating like baby food. So the pecans are going to add a little crunch to it and it's going to blow your mind. That is it for this banana pudding. So easy and so delicious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.